What's going on, guys? Logan from Tiles on Spray Foam. We're here spraying this garage / bonus room above it that wraps around to the house over there through a breezeway. Let's go inside and check out what we got going on. All right, we're inside the garage now. You can see here where my helper got some stuff prepped off for me. I've been spraying as he's going. Got a heater in here keeping it nice and toasty for us. But basically what we're doing down here is we're spraying the walls all the way up, the rim joists all the way around, and spraying this ceiling up here to isolate this garage down here from the bonus room up above. As you can see, I've already gotten started with the walls. Got what I could get from standing up. Gonna go around on our baker scaffold there and spray some foam up top there. And I mean, you can tell it's only been sitting here curing for about 15 minutes or so, and she's nice and solid. It's one of the benefits of closed cell spray foam. It adds, at 3 inches like we're spraying it here, it adds 300% racking strength to the wall. For anyone that doesn't know what racking strength is, it's basically it adds pressure, it adds strength this way, side to side of this wall. Not necessarily load strength, but racking strength side to side when you're spraying 2, 3, 4 inches of closed cell. It adds a lot of structural strength to a building. We'll go upstairs. For today, we're gonna just get these walls done and that ceiling done. That should be a good day's work there. Go upstairs here. We're gonna have to move some stuff around from the previous builders, but that's kind of the nature of the beast doing spray foam. We're kind of one of the last people in here, so everyone's got all their stuff in here. But up here, we're spraying the roof slopes all the way. We gotta block off those eaves. They're already blocked off most of the way with plywood, but we gotta cover off that little gap up there so nothing shoots out and gets on those windows there. That'd be worst case scenario. And then we're gonna come up here and spray these walls. Just gotta get the builder stuff off there, but it is what it is. Same thing up here, 3 inches in the walls, closed cell spray foam. And I believe we're spraying 4 or 5 inches of closed cell spray foam in that roof deck. I gotta go down and look at the sheet again, but should be nice and tight in here and be able to heat this place with a candle.
Alright guys, here's some walls I finished spraying. Just want to show a little video of my helper taking care of the cleanup. It's going through with a piranha scraper, making sure all the faces of the studs are clean. I like to leave all our jobs ready for sheetrock. That way it's good to go for them.
Alright, another important part of spray foaming a job is to seal around all the windows and doors with the proper type of foam. Got window and door foam here. A big mistake that you can make is in these tiny little gaps is you put the gap fill foam into it and then it expands more than it's supposed to and it pinches the windows shut. That's why they make a specific low expansion window and door foam. So you basically just take it up in here like this and fill that gap. If you don't do this, it kind of defeats the purpose of doing a spray foam job because you'll have a ton of air infiltration right through the gaps around every single window. And you got that. There's one up there, I'm not sure you can see it very well or not, but you got about a 1/4 inch to a 1/2 inch gap around every window. Got a 3-piece window here, 2, 3, 4 windows there, and a man door there. Over here it really needs it. You can see right outside next to this door. So you just fill that right up, window and door foam. I can feel the breeze whipping right through there. When I'm done with this, there'll be no breeze. There you go. This over here as well. You just saw some light flicker. Yeah, you can see right through there. So what I'll typically do there is run a quick little bead across it, all the way up and down it, and then when that expands past the stud, we'll just let it dry and we'll brush it off afterwards. So yeah, that's the window and door section of spray foam. All right, so that's a wrap, folks. Got 3 inches in the walls, all the way around. And same thing in the ceiling, 3 inches. And the primary focus with the ceiling here was to seal every nook and cranny that there was to keep the garage fumes down in the garage and the house fumes, or basically just have the garage fumes out of the house, essentially. It also adds a lot of insulation value, so the floors will be nice and warm upstairs. We just got all the poly picked up, got the floor nice and clean, windows nice and clean, got the windows and doors foamed around. You can see up in there. Tough to tell with the shadows, but there's foam up in there. Try to keep the job site nice and clean. Pick up all our tools and keep them over there so we know whose is whose. We'll go back upstairs so you can see what the plan is for tomorrow. Come up here and basically what we're going to do is we're going to blast away up in the roof. If we have enough foam, we'll start the walls down here. But that was planned for another trip anyways. Yeah, this is going to be a nice bonus room. Or maybe even like a guest room type of area, because I don't see a door that attaches to the house, so it must just be some sort of guest room apartment type area. So, but it'll be the same thing up in there. When I looked at the sheet, we're putting 5 inches of foam all the way up to the peak, 3 inches in the walls again. Windows and doors will be foamed again. And we'll just tighten it right up, and then we'll be good to go. One more final walkthrough. There's my helper Zach. And that's it. All right, folks. We're back here at the garage job, day 2. Get the roof slope sprayed. It's a winter wonderland out here. They got about, I don't know, close to a foot of snow out here. Had to drive through some crappy weather, but we made it. Time to get to work. All right, guys, roof slopes are all sprayed. Got 5 inches of closed cell spray foam all the way across from peak down to eave. Blocked all those eaves off. Sprayed them with foam. We're leaving all the poly up because we're gonna be spraying these walls when we come back. So should start to hold a lot more heat up here. It's actually warmer than it was when we were here. I mean, it was outdoor temperature, which is about 20 degrees right now. Probably 40, 45 up here right now with no heat going. But yeah, should be a nice cozy place up here. So we're all set here, and we'll see you in the next video.